So, we're going to asa ganito? Let's go! You're such a new vlogger. View. I love it. Sobra. Hi, Mama, Troy. Papa and Cindy. Ate Eli, I'm here. Oh, lamig-lamig. First stop namon. Wow. Hi guys, we're here. Hi. Ano, grabe ang hangin. Lamig-lamig, my gosh. Murag na kami sa New Zealand, guys. Lamig-lamig. Ang buhok ko. Uy! Daw zombie ko na. Naka 0.5 si Auntie. Hi! For today's vlog is vlogness. Pasok na mga bata. Mauhulihan.
Sorry po na.
Yaya ako. Ay. Hi.
Welcome to my paradise.
Welcome to my paradise. Hi, Ron. Hi guys, for today's video, andito na kami sa Aliwagwag Bus. Kani man siguro second stop. So, Ma'am She, ikapilata na ni nga stop, Ma'am She. Second stop. Second stop na pala nila. Say hi, parents! Hi! Hello, guys! Wow! This is reality, people! Finally, I've seen the Aliwagwag Bus.
Dahil parawat.
Lake Cartagena. Cartagena Lake. Ito lang kami before we go to our resort, the Primo Resort. Let's go! Guys, today we're here at Primo. We're here at Primo White Sand and Beach Resort. So, yeah. Nag-post din ako sa page ko with this tote bag na dinala ko here sa Baganga. Walang masyadong intro, walang masyadong ganap. Just views kung ano yung pinuntahan namin. We just wanna share it to you and of course, memories. So, you can check the Facebook page of Primo. Ayan. And halos nang ginawa namin dito is walk-in. DIY kami today kasi na-cancel yung kami. Haba yung storya, but to cut the story short, maraming nag-back out and cancellation on the other side po and so on and so forth. So, hoping soon na makakamigin good man kami. Say hi.
Hey.
Wow, bilugag tengog oy. So, update you later kung asa kami. First day namin, August 23, we're here at a cottage. Tomorrow is meron kaming room. Same venue sa Primo pa din, but we're going to avail the villa. So, tomorrow, early pa kami maglaag and I'll bring you there also. See you!
Sigaw. Ito na.
Ako, be.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Masunugay mo na dire! Happy birthday! Inaubos na!
Okay, next batch.
Next batch, second batch.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Birthday boy ka din pala. Oo.
Oh my God, ako naman.
Ako.